everybody. Welcome to Newbies Work on Cars. This is my project 2013 Hyundai Elantra GT. And finally, I was able to find a same color bumper. And today's project is we are going to replace the bumper. Okay, so let's take a look at the new bumper or the replacement bumper. We have one bolt here, and we have a bunch of clips all the way around. So in total, we have 4 bolts and maybe 10 clips or so. But this bolt and this clip is underneath the tail light here. So we have to remove the tail light first before we're able to access those. All right, so to take the tail light off, we have two 10 millimeters bolts in here, and there are 2 clips in, so we have to pull out straight after we take these off. So let's give it a try and see how successful we are with this. As you can see, this is very difficult to do it. I'm gonna try a trick and see if that will work for us. Okay, I'm trying to loosen up a little bit here, you see. Hopefully we don't break it because this is very fragile. Just going around, trying to loosen it up a little bit. Hopefully that will give us some space. Because what we are worried about is this corner. If we pull it in the wrong way, it will break, and that's not fun. I'm gonna try with the tape, maybe, with the tape trick. See if it pulls. Nope. That's usually the struggle with these lights. See, it's loose, but you have a clip in here that goes in. There you go. All right, we got it out. So basically, as you can see, the struggle is because we have a stud goes in here and a clip over here, and we have to slide them out. See, if you look on this side, that's the stud here, and this is the clip where we have to slide out. So now we took this one out. We're just gonna twist off the light bulbs.
You're good, YouTube?
Yes, sir. Finally. Let's do the same to the other side, and we'll come back to the next step. All right, let's start with the wheel well here. You see there is an 8 millimeter bolt in here, and also have Phillips heads. I'm going to try with the Phillips. Seems like it's moving now. There you go. And there's another one on the other side. But as you can see, the reason I'm replacing the bumper, the car was sideswiped in the past, and that bolt, it's basically not there. So let's continue with the rest of it. As I mentioned earlier, we have a bolt over here, a clip over here, and that's why I removed the tail light, and another one here, and we have a bunch of clips on the bottom. All right, let's let's take these off and we'll come next. All right, so I've noticed that we need to remove the mud flapper. There's 2 screws and a clip on the bottom. Look what we found here. If you look all the way down, over here, there is another clip, a hidden clip in here. Here. See where's that? That's it, and that's why we weren't able to take the bumper off. Finally. Come over. Let's talk about a few things here that we discovered later. That's what needs to be done to actually take it off. We've talked before about this bolt in the corner. That's 8 millimeters. This one underneath the tail light. That's 10 millimeter. And the rest of it are clips. But here's the kickers. There are clips over here. One here and one here. If you look at the bumper absorber, bumper support, they come in over here. So we kind of halfway through pulled our hands and took the clips off here and here, and that was a pain. The other thing, when you take it off, just be careful about the tag lights here. You got 2 tag lights. Make sure you don't rip them off when you take it off. But the rest of it, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 clip. We have 2 bolts for the mud flap here, 2 bolts for the mud flap here. So all that need to be removed in order to take off the bumper. So not terribly hard, it's just annoying. So let's move things around, and we'll put the bumper back together, and we'll show you the final result after that. All right, this is the final result. As you can see, finally I achieved non-broken bumper. That's matching the same color as the vehicle. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.